Before you buy OpenCart for your dropshipping business, there are 12 crucial things you need to know, especially if you're weighing it against other platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Stay tuned as we break down the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. The first thing to know is that OpenCart is open source, meaning you can fully customize it. This is great for people with tech skills or developers at hand. Unlike Shopify, which comes with built-in features but limits customization, OpenCart lets you modify anything you want. But this also means you'll need a solid understanding of coding and website management to get the most out of it. The second thing is that OpenCart is cost-effective. While platforms like Shopify require monthly fees, OpenCart itself is free to download and use. However, you'll likely need to purchase hosting and possibly additional extensions to enhance your store's functionality. So while you save on upfront costs, you may spend more on customization. The third thing to keep in mind is that OpenCart has a vast library of extensions. These are plugins that add features like payment gateways, shipping methods, and SEO tools. While this is a big plus compared to WooCommerce, which relies on WordPress plugins, some of these extensions can get pricey, and you may face compatibility issues when you update. The fourth thing is that OpenCart's user interface is not as beginner-friendly as platforms like Shopify. You won't get drag-and-drop simplicity, so be prepared to spend more time learning the system or hiring a developer. This may turn some users off, but for those who love control over every aspect of their site, this could be a benefit. Next thing, OpenCart supports multiple languages and currencies, making it a great option if you want to sell internationally. However, compared to Shopify's built-in multi-currency feature, you may need to manually set up a few things on OpenCart to make this work seamlessly. The sixth thing is the lack of customer support. OpenCart doesn't offer 24/7 customer service like Shopify, so if you run into issues, you're largely on your own. That said, there's an active community and forums where you can get help, but the lack of official support might be a deal breaker for some. The seventh thing is that OpenCart doesn't offer built-in marketing tools like some other platforms. With Shopify, you get integrated marketing features like email campaigns and social media integrations. With OpenCart, you'll need to rely on third-party extensions to handle these tasks. The eighth thing is security. OpenCart, being open source, requires you to actively manage security updates. On platforms like BigCommerce or Shopify, security is managed for you, which is something to consider if you're looking for a hands-off approach. The ninth thing is that OpenCart has a steep learning curve. While it offers great flexibility, getting everything set up properly can take time. If you're not a techie or don't have a developer, it might take a while to get your store up and running smoothly. Next thing, OpenCart allows you to control your hosting environment, which is a big plus compared to cloud-based platforms like Shopify. You can choose a hosting provider that fits your needs and budget, but keep in mind that this adds complexity as you'll need to manage hosting, backups, and performance. The 11th thing is that OpenCart's SEO capabilities are solid but require a little extra effort. While Shopify and BigCommerce come with built-in SEO features, OpenCart gives you the tools, but you'll need to take full advantage of them, or you might miss out on ranking opportunities. The final thing to consider is that OpenCart works best for medium to large stores. If you're just starting out, it may feel overcomplicated, especially if you don't have experience managing an online store or technical knowledge. So is OpenCart a good option for your dropshipping business? Absolutely. It's cost-effective, customizable, and has a wide range of features that make it a great choice for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. However, if you're looking for something easier to use, with better support and built-in marketing tools, you might want to explore a more user-friendly option. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free, to see if it better suits your needs.